Pyrite, also known as fool's gold, is a mineral composed of iron sulfide. Its shiny, metallic luster often fools people into thinking it's real gold. Here's a breakdown of your questions. 1. What is pyrite stone? Pyrite is a naturally occurring mineral that has a brassy yellow color and metallic luster. It forms in a variety of geological settings, including sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous rocks. 2. What are the benefits of pyrite stone? Pyrite is believed to have several benefits. Protection: it's thought to shield against negative energy and promote a sense of security. Manifestation: some believe that pyrite helps in manifesting wealth, abundance, and success. Confidence: pyrite is associated with boosting confidence, vitality, and willpower. Creativity: it's believed to stimulate creativity and innovation. Physical healing: some people use pyrite for its supposed healing properties, such as aiding digestion, improving circulation, and enhancing overall vitality. 3. What is the use of pyrite stone? Pyrite has various uses. Decorative: its metallic appearance makes it a popular choice for jewelry, ornaments, and decorative items. Metaphysical: pyrite is often used in crystal healing practices and energy work to harness its purported properties. Industrial: it's also utilized in industry, primarily in the production of sulfur dioxide and sulfuric acid. Additionally, it's used in the manufacture of certain types of batteries and in the production of sulfur compounds. In summary, pyrite is a fascinating mineral with perceived metaphysical benefits and practical applications in both decorative and industrial fields. However, scientific evidence supporting its metaphysical properties is limited, and its industrial use far outweighs its mystical significance.